Chukwu, come to me. Kpakpandiri n'ibu ka ejiri chọọ gị mma, nne dị nsọ nwanyị mara mma. Kpakpandiri n'ibu ka ejiri chọọ gị mma, nne dị nsọ oyoyo dị mma. Ṅụrịba, goribe ezigbo nne, ndị mmụọ ozi ga na-eto gị n'eluigwe, nne dị nsọ. Virgin Maria, nne dị nsọ. Ṅụrịba, goribe, ndụdụ kandụ niile ga-akpọ gị onye dị ngọzi, onye dị ngọzi, onye dị ngọzi. Lọta m o, nne dị nsọ, lọta anyị o, nne dị nsọ. Maria ezinne, ezinne Maria ezinne, 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 ezinne Maria ezinne, ezinne nne mụrụ Jizọs, ezinne Maria ezinne, 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 ezinne Maria ezinne, ezinne Maria ezinne, ezinne Maria ezinne, 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 ezinne Maria ezinne. Chukwu special general 22:33 dark all night. Ezumezu, Chi&Okike. Ezumezu, that means group. All Chi, CHI, the energy. All human Chi, both physical and spiritual. The Chi, the energy. Yeah? And their power, authorities, manifestation. And all Chi and Okike. 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 Okike are the spirit creators. All the Okike, spirit creators. In Genesis, when the account of the creation there, when they were the energy there creating, and they say, let there be this, and there became. Let there be that, and there became. Then time to create human. And the place says, come. That place, the energy didn't say, let there be human, and there became. He said, come. Let us create man. Let us create human in our own image. When they say, come, let us, that means there are other energy forces there. In tradition, we call them Okike, the spirit creators that are in charge. Spirit creators that created, that most of them have their energy in us, in all human worldwide. Then Okike, all the spirit creators, they are Okike. Now, like technology's energy stand up, and to bring them together, both physical and spiritual, in the ancient time, in the present time, like technology now, and bring them together. I use female cows, roosters, hens, rams, you can get mother goats, all 33, 22:33 kola nuts, all both masculine and feminine Chi, both masculine and feminine Okike, spirit creators. I bring all together. I bring all together. All their power, authorities, manifestation, worldwide, physical and spiritual, I bring them together to form Chukwu special general 22:33 dark all night. Ezumezu, all Ezumezu, Chi, spirit creators, spirit creators, all Ezumezu Chi and Okike spirit creators, Chi the energies, bring them together, all their power, authorities, manifestation, and all human worldwide, mad, all human worldwide. We stand up on all land, all ocean, all airspace. We skyrocket the sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbit, asteroid, black hole, heaven, earth, spots, in Nigeria, Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent, but in all science and technologies and universal worldwide science and technologies. Transfer to USA science and technologies. Yeah? Transfer to all states in USA. Transfer to us for free. Transfer to USA legislation, executive, judicial. Transfer to USA Democrats, Republican, GOP, all the party here. Transfer. Transfer to and turn into President Joe Biden and Kamala Harris. Transfer to White House and turn in there. Yeah? Transfer to all police. All police, sheriff, CIA, Secret Service, FBI, military, Navy, Air Force, Marines, Coast Guard, Border Patrol, Custom, Immigration, all security. Transfer to Allied Universal Security. Transfer to them. Transfer to Securitas. Transfer to Homeland Security. Transfer to all for free. Transfer to all hospitals, dental, psych ward, recuperative cares. Transfer to all ER, emergency hospitals. Transfer there. Transfer to all for free. Transfer to Serenity Recuperative Care, to their foundation, science and technologies. Transfer there. All their site, all their base, all their foundation. Transfer there. Transfer to us for free. Transfer to all the masons worldwide, free masonry, all masons, and in USA, transfer to them. And moving us forward. I mentioned your name, I didn't mention your name. Transfer. But only mad human. We use water, boil eggs, drinks, food, fruits, all that goes into the body that are good. Cigarette, weed, beer, wine, to work on this prayer, their energy, their power, authorities, manifestation, moving forward, energize and stand firm, and healing into our body foundation, science and technologies. Transfer to all for free. Transfer to all states in USA. Transfer to California. Transfer to Sacramento, Gavin Newsom, government house, governor office. Transfer to LA County. Transfer to Kansas City. Transfer to all the parks, museums, beaches, all. Transfer. Transfer to Mexico. Transfer to all Mexicans. Transfer to us. Transfer to all Igbo land, all Igbos worldwide, Igbos in home, Igbos in diaspora. Transfer to us. And moving us forward into our foundation, science and technologies. Transfer to Enugu, Aguku, Nabia, Enugu Agede. Transfer to Nise Nibo. Transfer to all for free. And moving us forward. So Maribi. He say, Sanko FM, Chief Priest, Peter, Odira, Nkwuaku, in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chief Priest World, Chief Priest USA. USA. Forward.